Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to add footer and page number in Word. So guys, first thing that you will do in order for you to add a footer is scroll down to the very bottom of the page. And from here guys, just double click, and as you can see, it will automatically add a footer. Or a second option guys, go to your insert, and then over here, as you can see, we have footer over here. And we have here multiple options. Just click any and it will automatically add a footer. And guys, in order for you to add a number, go to the insert again, and then over here click page number. As you can see, you have multiple options here, but I recommend go to the current position. And from the current position, you will have here multiple option on how do you want your page number to look like. And from there, just select any of it guys, and it will automatically add on your footer. And there you go guys, that's how to add a footer and number at the same time. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.